Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade component for your HP Omen 17W and 17T W series laptops, a compatible motherboard replacement. Specifically, we're looking at the 915552-001, 915,552 to 501, and 915,552 to 601 models. This particular motherboard comes with an integrated Intel Core i7-7700HQ processor running at 2.8 GHz, featuring the SR32Q designation. This CPU is a solid performer for gaming and demanding applications, offering a good balance of power and efficiency. For graphics, this motherboard boasts a GeForce GTX 1060 with 6 GB of GDDR5 memory. This GPU is capable of handling most modern games at reasonable settings, providing a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. It's also suitable for content creation tasks that benefit from a dedicated graphics card. The RAM memory technology supported is DDR4, which is the standard for modern laptops, ensuring fast and efficient memory performance. The chipset type is SoC, or System on a Chip, which integrates various components onto a single chip for improved efficiency and space utilization. This motherboard is designed as a replacement part, so it doesn't come with an operating system pre-installed. You'll need to install your own OS after the replacement. When considering a motherboard replacement, compatibility is key. These models are specifically designed for the HP Omen 17W and 17TW series, ensuring a proper fit and functionality. However, always double-check your laptop's model number to confirm compatibility before purchasing. Replacing a motherboard can be a complex task, so it's recommended to have experience with laptop repair or seek professional assistance. Ensure you have the necessary tools and a static-free environment to prevent damage to the components. Overall, this motherboard offers a reliable and compatible replacement option for HP Omen 17W and 17T W series laptops, breathing new life into your gaming machine with its integrated Intel Core i7 processor and GeForce GTX 1060 graphics.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.